Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix missing lock screen widgets from Snapchat on iPhone iOS 18. First, lock screen widgets are only supported on iPhones that run iOS 16 or later, including iOS 18. So make sure your device is updated by going to Settings, opening General, selecting Software Update, and install iOS 18 if available. Next, update the Snapchat app by opening the App Store, tapping your profile, finding Snapchat, and selecting Update, since widgets often require the latest app version to work properly. Now enable widgets for Snapchat by opening Settings, going to Snapchat, tapping Widgets, and making sure Allow Widgets is turned on. Now press and hold your lock screen, tap Customize, then tap Add Widgets. Scroll down and select Snapchat. Now choose the widget style you want and tap Done. Then, check app permissions by going to Settings, opening Snapchat, and ensuring Allow Notifications is turned on. Then go to Settings, open Privacy, select Background App Refresh, and make sure Snapchat is enabled. Then restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes widgets not appearing. If the widget still does not show, delete the current lock screen and create a new one. Then try adding the Snapchat widget again. If nothing works, delete and reinstall Snapchat from the App Store and re-add widgets after signing back in. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.